Do you know the name of the second largest search engine in the world? It's YouTube. Yes, when people want to learn cooking, they search for the videos on YouTube. Likewise, they browse on the YouTube for the videos if they want to learn something new, if they want to get entertained, or simply get the news updates. This platform has actually changed the way people spend their time. Also, TV celebs are not the only one today who was matter the most. Through this platform, it's also the ordinary people like you and me. Earlier, people had this notion that YouTube does not have much of scope. That is, you cannot build a career as a YouTuber. Well, things have changed today. If I was to give you an example of people who have been a successful YouTuber, then it could include Bhuvan Bam, Ashish Chanchlani, Technical Guruji, among million others. I'm sure you too might have your own favorite YouTuber who you follow diligently. I believe there's tons of things that you can learn by being on this platform. You could get better social skills, you can be more confident, and well, you can also follow your passion and earn money. Well, earning money or making money might not be the primary reason for you to own or build your YouTube channel. But opportunities to earn through this platform are millions. And it might surprise you to know how many are there. So now let's understand what are the different types of YouTube channels you can open and how you can create your account and launch your own channel.
So YouTube, as we all know, is a video sharing platform where you as a user can watch a video, like the video, comment on the video, share the video with your friends, or even upload your own videos. And this application can be used on your Android phones, your Apple phones, your PCs, or your laptops, or any other device. Now let's first talk about what are the functions of YouTube. Number one, users can search for and watch videos. For example, if you want to do a workout, how to lose weight on your waist, then that is exactly what you're going to type in a YouTube channel, and you will find a lot of videos posted by the users. Number two, create a personal YouTube channel. So you as an individual can create your own personal YouTube channel where you can upload videos of any niche that you choose. Number three, upload videos to your YouTube channel. So whatever videos you have, you can upload your own videos that you shot onto your YouTube channel and earn money from that. Number four, like, comment, share on other YouTube videos. So if you're seeing a YouTube video and you will really love it, you can like it. Or if you want to send that video to your friends, you can share it. Or if you want to give your opinion to the creator, then you can comment on those videos. Number five, users can subscribe, follow other YouTube channels and users. So just like how Instagram or Facebook works, like how you send a friend request or how you follow other people on Instagram, the same goes for YouTube. You can subscribe to all your favorite influencers or your creators and be subscribed in their community. So whenever they post a video, you will know and you can watch those videos and enjoy those videos. Number six, create playlists to organize videos and group videos together. So you can create different playlists. For example, if you're having a lifestyle channel, then you're going to be posting about a lot of things. So you can create separate playlists, for example, travel playlists for your travel vlogs, a food playlist for all the food that you eat and enjoy, and then a fashion and makeup playlist where you post a lot about how you dress and what kind of makeup you wear. So you can create different types of playlists and group your videos in those playlists. Before you start a YouTube channel, the first thing that you need to do is pick a niche. What kind of videos you're going to be posting? What are you going to be posting about? And only when you decide that, you can move forward and create your own YouTube channel. First, we go to our Google homepage and then type in create a new Gmail account. And then we scroll down and click on the third link. So this is your create your Google account page. Now here you have to enter in your first name and last name. So here you can give in your own name, your first name and your last name, or you can even put in the name of the channel that you want to create. For example, I'm going to use my name for the first name. And for the last name, I'm going to put in the niche that I want to make my videos on. For example, lifestyle. Now, after that, we have to create a username. So the username is going to be Natalia Lifestyle 02. Yes, now that username is available. For example, if you happen to type in a username, for example 06, And if the username is already taken, then it will show you that the username is already taken and you have to try another one. So we're going to put in 02 and this username is available. And then we move on to creating a password. So make sure you put in a very strong password so that there are no breaches. And then you have to reconfirm your password. Now, after you're done filling in all this information, you have to click on Next. Now, here you have to put in a phone number so that you will be receiving a OTP which you will have to enter here. So we're going to type in a phone number. And then there is an option where you can enter in a recovery email address. For example, if you lose access to this current email address, then you can get a reset password link to another email address. And below that, you'll have to type in your birth date. So month, the day and the year. Now here, this is the part where we receive an OTP to the number which we have entered. So send the OTP. Now, after entering the OTP, we will be redirected to this page. Get more from your number. Now, after reading all this and going through all this, you can click on Yes, I am in. And then we are taken to the page where you have to read the privacy and terms. So make sure you go through this once before you agree to anything. So after you read this completely, you have to click on I agree. Now, our Gmail account is ready. Now, using this Gmail account, we are going to be creating a YouTube account. So, let me show you how. So, on the top right corner, you will see N. So, that will be the first name of the email address or the first name that we have given. So, now after clicking on N, you will see that your ID is displayed here, natalialifestyle02@gmail.com. Now, next to that, you will see the Google apps where you will see all the applications you can use using this one email address. So there we are going to click on YouTube application. Now, when you click on YouTube application, you will be redirected to this page. Sign in to continue to YouTube. Because since our email address is a new one, we don't have an account in YouTube yet. So using the email address that we have created, we are going to create an account in YouTube. After clicking on Next, we will be taken to the YouTube homepage where on the top right corner, you can see that you have successfully created an account on YouTube.
Now, once you have decided to open or launch your own YouTube channel, now this could consist of various types. Like suppose you're good at dancing, you can own or start your own dancing channel, or you're good at cooking, or you're good at say comedy or anything. It could consist of any content. However, there are certain policies and guidelines that you need to follow. So now let's understand what are those policies and guidelines that are laid down by the YouTube community that you as a YouTuber need to follow.
Anyone who interacts on YouTube has to follow some policies and community guidelines because YouTube is an application everyone uses on daily basis, even kids. So any sort of inappropriate content, any sort of misleading or scam content are not supposed to be uploaded to your YouTube channel. So in this module, I'm going to tell you what are the categories that you're not supposed to upload videos on and what will happen if you do. That is exactly what we're going to talk about. Number 1, sex and nudity. So any sort of content which is sexually gratifying or which falls under the category of pornography is not allowed on YouTube. But we have seen some videos which can contain inappropriate content. Now let me tell you what is allowed and what is not allowed in this sex and nudity category. Now let's say you are attending a fashion show and you are shooting a video of that fashion show and you see that a model has a wardrobe malfunction. That is, maybe her sleeves fall off, or you can see that she has a cut near her waist. Now that you upload it on your YouTube channel. Now that is not sexually gratifying because your intent is to show that it's a wardrobe malfunction. But if you happen to focus more on the sleeve falling down or zooming into the model's body, then that can be considered as sexually gratifying. But what is actually allowed is if you are posting any sort of content which has any sex or nudity for educational purpose, with the right kind of settings added to it, that is, you restrict people or restrict kids under the age of 18, then it is allowed. But if you happen to upload this kind of content without doing anything to your settings, then that is definitely not allowed. It will fall under a violation. Number 2, hate. So if you happen to upload any video by giving your opinion or talking bad about some person or trying to put another person down, then that kind of content is definitely not allowed. Or if you're trying to promote violence or hatred against any sort of group or any sort of people or any sort of immigrants, and you're telling them that, the immigrants from Canada, they don't know how to drive, and you're trying to put up a video on that, it's like you're passing on hatred comment on Canadians. So that kind of content is definitely not allowed. Number 3, spam. So any sort of content that you post on YouTube mustn't be misleading. For example, if you're posting that you are going to upload a full length movie, but you're only uploading 2 to 3 minutes, it's a trailer of the movie. So your title must say, for example, Dinosaurs Full Movie. But then you've only uploaded the 2 minutes trailer of that movie. So that definitely is misleading. People will click on your link thinking that it's a full length movie, but you have uploaded only 2 minutes trailer. So that can be very misleading. So this is considered as a spam. So if you happen to post any sort of content which falls under the category of spam, then definitely you are violating the YouTube's policies and community guidelines.
Now, earning from a YouTube channel is not as simple as uploading your content or videos. It's way beyond. So let's understand what are the ways through which you can earn from YouTube.
What are the different ways available inside YouTube, and what are the ways you can make money by posting videos? That is exactly what we're going to learn in this module. Right now, we are in the channel dashboard of Indian Money English channel. Now, from the dashboard, you have to scroll down and go to monetization. So when you click on monetization, you will be taken to the channel monetization page. Now here, as you can see, there are 5 tabs. The first one is the overview. So let me explain a little bit about each tab. So let's talk about overview. So under overview, you will get an idea of how many ways there are that you can earn money from YouTube. For example, first is video advertising. As you can see here, advertisers can run ads on your videos that follow our advertiser-free guidelines. So you can earn money by showcasing advertisements before your videos. So anyone who opens your videos, the first thing they will get is an advertisement. That way you can earn money. So once your channel is monetized and advertisements start displaying on your videos, you will be earning money from that. And then we have merchandise. Now let's head over to the advertising tab. So as you can see, our channel is already monetized. So that means whenever you open any of our videos, the first thing that will be displayed to you is an advertisement. And even in the middle, you might see 1 or 2 advertisements. That is one of the ways that you can earn a revenue from your YouTube channel. Next, we have merchandise. So merchandise is a place where you can sell your products. For example, if Indian Money English channel had any merchandise, for example, printed t-shirts with our logo on it, we can sell them right here. Or if you are having a fitness channel and you want to sell any sort of yoga mats or fitness bands, then you can definitely do that under the merchandise tab.
So I hope through this video you have understood how vast the YouTube platform as such can be for you to earn a lot of money. So this was a gist of how you can be or you can create your own YouTube channel. I hope you learn about it from our course of how you can become a successful YouTuber that's available on our Financial Freedom app. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever we post the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Get wise and break free.